Alright, Prod Squad, man. So, long story short, the master brakes that I had installed a few months ago, I'm swapping them out for the Powerstops. As you can see right here, I got them. Ain't nothing wrong with the masters. You know, they perform. They do what they're supposed to do. It's just they loud as hell. I get tired of the squealing.
You better hold it. Tiny, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Like I was just telling Keith, man, if it's a better option as far as you know, not squealing and all of that, I'm gonna take it. And that's what we doing. So I'm not gonna show y'all this whole install, man, because y'all already seen it one time. All we doing is swapping the master brakes out for the Powerstop brakes, and I'm gonna give y'all a before, you know what I'm saying, and a before and an after, so y'all can check that out. Let me know what y'all think. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and copy some of these, man. And y'all enjoy y'all day, man. Enjoy this video. Hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll let y'all in a minute. Real quick, man. So apparently the last time that I had my tires or lug nuts broken, they put them on way too tight. So we headed up to this tire shop now to go out on and get them to break these nuts so we can get back to it, man. Make sure the people don't put your lug nuts on and shit too tight, or you won't be able to break your damn self. That's that old school right there, ain't it? LS3. He got the Mickey Thompsons on. Well, he got the slicks on the back. Man, it's old school right here, bro. The Mickey Thompsons on. Not going in reverse. No. I will help you out there or not. Yes, sir. Got what you want right here. Got the 15s Hellcat replicas with the chrome lip. Boy, y'all gonna be killing them. Y'all get this, man. This right here back in the day, man. Y'all know y'all remember these, man. Tell me, if y'all ain't been in these, if y'all ain't come from these days right here, these are humble beginnings. Humble beginnings right here.
What makes this $40? What makes that $40? What makes that $40?
Chemical guys, that name right there. That's exactly what do it.
What makes that $60?
Pretty much. Is this glass? Maybe it's the packaging. Definitely got something to do with it. Got to. Hook the damn wire on the plastic piece. I never forget, man. I had a couple of them bitches break, man. I was like, damn, I'm finna lose this one. This one about to come off, man. Ooh, I missed them. I don't know. I don't miss them days, but I kind of do miss them days. Life was simple back then, bro.
Nothing to worry about.
Nothing. Clips from 5 years ago.
Thing look clean, boy.
Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, man. So after a few very hot hours, finally got the Powerstops put on, man. And I gotta say, boy, them things look a whole lot better than the other ones. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the old ones, y'all seen how they look, so I'm gonna go ahead on and show y'all what these, and look, disregard, I ain't cleaned the car up like that, man. I know y'all be on that shit, man. But bam, check it out, man. Woo, they look so much better. I like the fact that you can see them motherfuckers, like the silver, you know? I don't even know what kind of material it is that's made them, but they sure enough look a whole lot better than me. Yes, sir. Man, shout out to Keith, man. You know what I'm saying? He came over there, showed your boy how to do something. You know what I'm saying? Had me looking like a mechanic for real. You know what I'm saying? For a second, and out here sweating, man. You know what I'm saying? It was tough, man. But you know what I'm saying? I put on a couple of them. I put on one on the front. I did one on the back. You know, he showed me. Got everything looking good. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go out here and do a little break in. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and break some necks real quick. And shoot, man. Shout out to KP, man. I see you over there. Yeah. You want to see your IG?
Oh, you already know marvinthemartian.rt.
I have floated across the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can go and follow him. Anyway, man, so if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, man. We got some more stuff coming. I do got another mod that I was going to do today, which I'm glad I didn't do it today because honestly, I ain't had time for that shit right now, man. It was just too much going on. It was way too hot out here for all of that. But anyway, man, y'all hit the like button, man. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll leave a description. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can, you know where to go and get these power stops. Y'all be safe out here in the streets, man. I'll holler at you on the next one, all right? Peace. All right, here we go. So, about to do this little break-in, you know what I'm saying? Just coast a little bit and just step on it. So we're gonna see how this work out. You know, hopefully everything is cool. So, let's see here.
Ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, yeah.
So, I think with that being said, I think the Powerstop brakes are really good. They real good. They definitely stop. Very, very good. I probably won't be doing that again. But if you should so happen to be questioning the integrity of these brakes, don't. They work perfectly fine. They stop very well on a dime, as you can see. I'm sure over time I'll learn how to brake smoothly without you know, causing severe damage to myself. But other than that, let's go ahead on and close this video out. Yeah.